Prime Minister Narendra Modi said on Thursday that the latest example of what Modi's guarantee stands for is the Citizenship Amendment Act, CAA. He in fact said that the country has started granting citizenship under the CAA. He accused the Samajwadi Party and Congress of spreading lies about the CAA and in fact also trying to push the country towards rights. Now, Mr. Modi's remarks came a day after the first set of citizenship certificates under CAA were issued in New Delhi to 14 people. Nearly 2 months after rules under this law were notified to grant Indian nationality to persecuted non-Muslim migrants from 3 neighbouring countries. Now, this is not just the PM talking about it. In fact, the HM also talked about it. The Home Minister on May 14th assured the Mathua community in West Bengal that its members would get citizenship under this new law, even as West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee kept saying that she would stop the CAA implementation. Remember that the CAA has been an important flashpoint between the BJP and the opposition for long, but the BJP has crafted this narrative along humanitarian lines, with the Prime Minister himself quoting Gandhi today, saying that even Mahatma Gandhi would have approved of such a pro-humanity measure. The TMC has opposed the CAA wholeheartedly, with the party chief saying that she will revoke the implementation. Others such as DMK have done the same, even as the Congress has been careful in opposing it but not really talking a lot against it in its manifesto or in the present campaign. So will the CAA boost the image of the BJP, and does it really help people? How important is citizenship for the thousands and hundreds of Hindus who actually escape religious persecution and come to India? That is what we will discuss tonight. We have some people with us who will tell you what they went through. But first, let's listen in to what the Prime Minister said, and also let's watch the special report.
भाइयों बहनों, क्या इस देश में अब कोई माई का लाल पैदा हुआ है जो सीए को खत्म कर सके? ये देश की जनता जान गई है, देश का हर नागरिक जान गया है कि आप लोगों ने वोट बैंक की राजनीति करके, हिंदू मुसलमान को लड़ा करके और सेकुलरिज्म का ऐसा चोला पहन लिया था कि आपकी अंदर की पाप की सच्चाई बाहर नहीं आती थी। ये मोदी है जिसने आपका नकाब उतार दिया है।
A 11-year struggle for an Indian identity. 4 Pakistani Hindu inhabitants of this refugee camp were granted Indian citizenship yesterday. The Union Government on 15th May 2024 granted citizenship certificates to more than 300 people who applied under the Citizenship Amendment Act of 2019. Meera Devi, born and brought up in Pakistan's Sindh, came to India with her family in 2013. Her son and daughter have been granted citizenship.
यहाँ बेनज़ीर भुट्टो थी तो हमारी बहुत हेल्प होती थी वहाँ पे। जब से वो हमारी बेनज़ीर भुट्टो सिंध में रहते थे तो वो चली गई, वहाँ की प्रधानमंत्री थी वो चली गई। जब से हमारे हालात वहाँ थोड़े बिगड़ने लगे तो हमने सोचा वो ही नहीं रही तो हमें भी रहने का यहाँ कोई अधिकार नहीं।
In her adolescence, Meera's daughter Yashoda came with her family to India. Now, a mother of 4, Yashoda is the first in her family to be granted Indian citizenship.
हमें तो नागरिकता मिली, हम बहुत खुश हैं और बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हैं। और हमने कल शाम को कुछ मिठाई लाई थी, भगवान को चढ़ाई, कुछ बच्चों को बांटी और घर में भी बहुत खुशी मनाई, सबको बधाई दी। भारत के तो हमें बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि यहाँ की जैसे मंदिर है ये है, हमें बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाई लिखाई है, वहाँ पे जैसे पढ़ने लिखने नहीं जाते थे।
The citizenship has ignited the hope of a better future among Pakistani Hindu refugees living in North Delhi's Majnu Ka Tila.
मैं महत्व ये रखता है कि जैसे मान के चलो मैं कोई कारोबार करना चाहता हूँ या कोई बिजनेस करना चाहता हूँ तो मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं आएगी। अब कुछ लोग हमें ये भी कहते थे कि ये पाकिस्तानी हैं, वो भी हमारे से पाकिस्तानी का टैट हमसे ख़त्म हो गया जी। मुझे इस चीज़ का फ़र्क लगता है कि मैं एक हिंदुस्तानी नागरिक बन जाऊँ, बहुत बड़ी ये सबसे बड़ी महत्वपूर्ण ताकत है कि मैं हिंदुस्तान का नागरिक हूँ।
These narrow gullies in a refugee camp in Majnu Ka Tila house many memories and sentiments of Pakistani Hindus who came to India in 2013 in search of an Indian identity. A few people living here have been granted Indian citizenship by the Union government, while for others it's under due process. What remains a question is how will the citizenship create an impactful change in the lives of these people? With camera person Shiv Kumar, this is Tanushka Datta for NDTV.